Mira's Magical Mirror, a short moral story. Mira was a cheerful little girl who loved to twirl in front of her mirror. One day, while dusting her grandmother's attic, she discovered an old mirror covered in cobwebs. As soon as she wiped it clean, the mirror shimmered and glowed. A soft voice echoed, "I am the mirror of truth. I reflect not your face, but your heart." Curious, Mira looked into it. Instead of her usual smile, she saw a moment when she had lied to her friend or ignored someone in need. She gasped. Each day, Mira peered into the mirror and saw a different reflection, some kind, others not. She realized the mirror was showing her how her actions shaped who she really was inside. From then on, Mira tried harder to be honest, helpful, and kind. Slowly, the reflections began to glow brighter and warmer. The mirror no longer shimmered with guilt, but with joy. One day, the mirror whispered, "Now you shine from within." Mira smiled, not at her face, but at the person she was becoming. Moral: true beauty is not in how you look, but in how you act. A kind heart reflects the brightest image. Thank you for watching.